Hi, this is Greg Hagger. Welcome to my Greg's Bass Shed channel here on YouTube. All my video lessons are aimed at beginner and intermediate level bass players, and they cover topics such as technique, music theory including reading music, bass line covers, classic riffs, walking bass, rock, blues, ska and jazz. All these videos have a free PDF which can be downloaded in the description below the video. I also make gear review videos about effects pedals, basses and other useful bass related equipment. I've put all my lessons into playlists here on YouTube, so the best way to find everything is to click on the playlist section and then look into the relevant ones that you're interested in. If you're a beginner, my Bass Beginner series might be a good place to start, and also my bassline breakdown playlist is proving really popular. I bring out a new lesson every Friday, so make sure you click the red subscribe button and then you'll be notified when these new lessons are released. If you want a free ebook with the PDFs for my first 50 videos, then head over to my website, which is gbshed.com. Go to the homepage and sign up to the mailing list and I'll send you the ebook. You might also want to sign up to my free members area when you're on my website. You can chat to other bass players there and get more free bass resources such as reading practice exercises and practice logs. The link to this members area along with other useful links is below this video in the description, so go and have a look there. Well, I hope you enjoy my channel and find it useful. Please like, share and comment on any videos that you particularly like. And feel free to ask me any questions that you might have. You can do this through the contact page of gbshed.com.